We've been living in lists, and lists are lovely. But to reach the 1000th item, a list makes you walk the first 999. Sometimes you want something different. So Kaappi gives you vectors, strings, hash tables, and types of your own. A vector is a fixed row of slots you reach by index instantly. Vector ref reads slot 1, 20. Vector set writes it. Vector length counts them. No walking, you jump straight to any slot. You can also write one literally with hash parens. And the map and fold thinking carries straight over. Vector map squares every slot. You can convert to a list and back anytime, with vector to list and list to vector, so you're never boxed in. Strings have the same shape of operations. How long is it? The character at an index. A slice out of the middle. The whole thing uppercased. Split on a separator. Join back with another, or search. String contains tells you where one string sits inside another. At index 2 here. Note the separator is a string in quotes, not a character. A hash table maps keys to values and finds them fast, however many you store. Set Alice to 30, Bob to 25. Look Alice up, 30, and when a key isn't there, like Carol, ref default hands back the default you named instead of blowing up. You can update a value in place. Alice has a birthday, 31, and ask for all the keys, or all the values, or walk the whole table. This is your workhorse for counting, caching, and lookups. When the built-ins aren't enough, you make your own type. Define record type hands you a constructor, a predicate, and accessors all at once. Here's a point with an X and a Y. Build one, read its parts, ask is this a point? Yes. Kaappi even prints it back as a labeled point. Fields update 2. Slide the points X to 10. Now you've got a real named thing instead of a bare list, and your errors in tooling refer to it by name. So, a vector when you index by position, a string for text, a hash table for key-to-value lookups, a record when you're modeling a thing with named fields. And the same tools, map, fold, and friends, point at all of them. Next time, we make loops disappear. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.